understand, dude.
What a flood?
I start getting it in, dude. Getting it in. And then I got my, can it cold? Dude, I feel light as a feather right now. Light as a feather. Light as a feather. You can't see me. And then I go up to the girl and I be like, hey girl. And I let her look at my feet. I be like, what's up, girl? And I just break it down like. And I start doing my Irish dance. And then I lock it up. And I do the Dorothy. And I follow you home.
When you put your butts on, we go get some dinner.